Hey everyone, so I'm up on the top of Kinder Scout and it's been quite a tough year, but you know, being out here in the hills and the mountains, you know, each weekend it's just been fantastic and a real escape from everything that's going on. This video, I'm not actually taking you along with me, I'm just keeping this one for myself, but I just wanted to introduce the compilation of clips, you know, some of my best moments over the last 5 months since I started the YouTube channel, and it all started right here with a drone shot straight over Kinder Reservoir as well, so enjoy the video.